Meaning of exasperating.
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 Exasperating. Exasperating means to cause annoyance or irritation to the point of frustration. When something is exasperating, it can be extremely frustrating and testing of one's patience. It may lead to feelings of anger, helplessness, and even despair. For example, receiving poor customer service from a company can be an exasperating experience, as it can cause repeated delays and problems that may seem insurmountable. Overall, exasperating refers to a persistent and aggravating situation that can negatively impact an individual's mood, well-being, and overall perception of a given experience.